let you know you're mine. Hands on your body, I don't wanna waste no time.
Organifi Green Juice, which is a superfoods-based green drink that was created by Drew Canole, who was the founder of the popular health website FitLife.tv. The formula has 100% organic ingredients and is made up of superfoods that contain healthy ingredients. Here is the list of ingredients in the Organifi Green Juice: wheatgrass and wheatgrass juice powder, horseradish tree, known as moringa, spirulina, chlorella, matcha green tea, coconut water, ashwagandha, red beet, turmeric. To make up a serving of this green juice, just add about 10 grams of the superfood into a container. I felt much better after taking a drink of this green juice because I found out that this juice has a long list healing properties. Click the link below for info. Organifi contains matcha green tea as one of the ingredients, and it has several health benefits, one being that it can help speed up your metabolism. Turmeric is one of the healthiest ingredients in the world. Organifi Green Juice tastes absolutely great. It has an enjoyable, minty taste. Some people might like to avoid some green drinks because of the harsh taste, but they might find Organifi Green Juice absolutely delicious. I love the taste of Organifi Green Juice because of the taste, and that it contains the superfoods that promote good health and weight loss. Click the link below for info. Instructions previously provided.